This is Mech 22, starting system wiring diagram, and we're going to start over here with a battery. So that's just drawn like that. We'll have one post and another one, positive battery, post, negative, and so on the negative side we always have a wire coming off, and this will go to an engine ground. On this side we're going to go red, and this will be our battery cable, positive battery cable, and we're going to use black to come up to our switching side. So we go to a fuse first, and then we go to an ignition switch, and after that we'll go to a neutral safety switch. We'll just draw them as simple on-off switches. After that we're going to come down and enter starter solenoid, and that is a whole bunch of windings going down to a ground. So that's our switched circuit. So this positive battery cable is going to come down and sits right here, and then I have another positive battery cable sits in this area, and from over here we're going to go over to the motor. But inside solenoid we need to draw this bar. This is a plunger. This plunger sits all the way across like that, and when the solenoid is activated the plunger moves up in the up direction. So we're going to zoom out a little bit so that we have room for our starter motor. So we're going to come off of our positive battery cable through the solenoid and into this short wire here, and it goes down into the starter body itself. So I'm going to draw the starter body here as a circle, and then we're going to continue to draw the wires in here. Next thing we have is our field windings. They go like that, and over to this side, and over to this side. And in the center here we have our armature. That's where our brushes will sit. So we'll put our brushes here. Now our wires go through the windings, and then they'll come up and they'll attach to two of the brushes. They just line up there to those brushes. And then on the other side, these other brushes will get a ground wire that goes to the body of the starter motor, and the starter motor itself is grounded. And that is a starting system wiring diagram.